1. Standard British pronunciation, received pronunciation. Sexy, C, sexy. Animal, animal, animal. In this version, sexy is pronounced with a clear short E sound in the first syllable, and the Y at the end sounds like C. Animal starts with a short A sound like in cat, and the ending is soft with the L slightly de-emphasized. 2. Casual British pronunciation, colloquial or regional. Sexy, sexy, same. Animal, animal, animal. In this version, sexy remains the same as in standard pronunciation, but it may be spoken more quickly. Animal has a more relaxed pronunciation. The middle syllable may shift to sound more like and the final L can be less distinct, almost fading out. Summary of differences. Standard RP, an-emul, clear, distinct syllables. Casual regional, unmul, softer, more blended syllables. Both versions are understood in the UK, but RP is more formal, while the regional pronunciation is more relaxed.